Hello everyone, it's Don once again, and welcome to Construction Video Update number 99. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the renovations that have been going on several of the golf courses here in the villages. Before we do that though, let's stop in and look at the Street of Dreams and see what's going on there. The Street of Dreams is the new home design center that's located in Brownwood, directly across from MVP and behind the lofts. At the Street of Dreams, when you decide you're going to build a new house, this is where you'll go to pick out all the fixtures and features and different aspects of the home that you're going to build. Not much has been said about this building yet, but when we get around the back side of the building, you'll see that they've set up a few areas that will make picking out some of the features and extra parts to your home a little bit easier. Yes, this is a pretty good sized building. This is the other side of the building. In this corner here is the courtyard, as it's called, and as we get over it, you'll see there's a few interesting things that they're doing. First off, you can see a pool in here, so if you decide to put a pool in, this will give you some ideas of what you're going to include in your pool. There's also a couple of smaller buildings. They don't make a lot of sense from this angle, but the next angle you'll see. Also, this white board in the upper right is where all the light fixtures are, so you get a better idea instead of looking at a catalog page what the light fixtures actually look like for outside your house. This side of the building will actually be the main entrance into the building and not the side across from MVP. From this view, you can see that the building on the right is about the garage door, and on the left side of it, about the front door. The orange building in the back looks to be about the back lanai, maybe summer kitchen or things like that. That's enough for the Street of Dreams. Now let's go take a look at the Homes to Suites hotel that's being built across from the Pinella Shopping Center. This hotel and the Brownwood Hotel are the only two places of lodging in the southern end of the villages. The main hotel structure is now built, and you can see it's being framed in. There's been no word yet as to when this hotel will actually open for business. At the top of the screen is the Pinellas shopping area on the far side of County Route 466A. This corner right here is where Culver's is supposed to be built. And this is the Palmetto Golf Course. Let's now move to the north end of the villages where they're building the First Responders Recreation Center. This recreation center is unique in that it's the first one not being built by the developer. This is being built by the Village Center Community Development District through the AAC, the Amenities Authority Committee. There's quite a bit of exterior work going on. I'm not sure the planned opening date of this rec center, but I'll have that information on the next video. The next video is number 100, and we're having a fundraising event to celebrate it at Evans Prairie Country Club on the 14th of October at 7 p.m. Everyone's invited. Please feel free to join us if you can't make it. The video will still be shown online at 8 o'clock that evening. It's also a fundraiser. We're raising money for the National Brain Tumor Society and the American Cancer Society. Even if you can't make it, you can still donate. In the upper right hand corner of this video, you'll see this little icon. If you click on it, you'll get this menu and you'll be able to choose from the two different GoFundMe pages that have been established. These GoFundMe pages are active right now, so you don't need to wait for the 100th video to come out. You can give now. The Village of St. Catherine, 24-Hour Cart Club, PSL Construction, and Rent from a Villager are all helping to sponsor this event. Here's a great view of the entire First Responders Recreation area.
Renting your home is made easy when you advertise with Rent from a Villager. Our website offers an easy-to-use user interface, 24 photos you can upload and change whenever you want, and live customer support. You'll be speaking directly to one of the owners, Karen or Ryan. Sign up today at www.rentfromavillager.com with code WINGNUT to get 3 additional free months on a year subscription.
Let's leave the first responders area now and head on over to the Hacienda Hills Country Club area, or what used to be the Country Club, and now is going to be Hacienda Hills Villas. No site work has started yet, but I'm sure the planning stages are moving rapidly with the developer. One has to wonder if they're going to use the prefabricated wall building method that they've started using in Thai villas at this location. Here's a quick look at what's already planned. I wanted to thank everybody for their kind words and prayers for my son David. He's not getting any better, unfortunately. It's a very difficult time for my family. Again, thank you again for your prayers and well wishes. While you're watching the video, please take just a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you get notified whenever a new video is posted. And don't forget to like the video. It always helps. Thank you. I'll continue to watch this site and keep you up to date when construction begins and things start to happen. Until then, let's head on back down to Thai Villas. Thai villas are unique in 2 respects. 1, they're the first homes that are using a new prefab construction method, and 2, every home in Thai villas has a view of either water or wetlands or woodlands, unlike other courtyard villa communities, which most of the homes have views of a wall. The homes here at the northern end of Thai villas are nearing completion. The homes at the western end, I drove by those this morning and saw walls going up and trusses going in on the last couple of houses. So it won't be too much longer until we see these homes come on the market. Now, who's to say what they're going to come on? I don't know. But judging by current market and looking at the prices that are being charged right now, a lot with a view like this, we may be talking $400,000 to $450,000 or more for each of these villa homes. Once these off-site fabricated walls are brought on site and set up, the whole build process is the same as any other house here in the villages. The finish work has to go on, the roofing, you name it, it's all the same. They're just saving a little time by doing it off-site, and you're actually getting a stronger wall because the rebar now runs both vertically and horizontally. I've talked to many of the companies that build here in the villages, and they all tell me the same thing. They need bodies. If you have a son or a daughter, maybe a grandson, granddaughter, niece, nephew, who has experience in the building trades, or even if they don't, they're looking for a good paying job, this is the place to come. It's long-term, steady work. They can learn a trade. Almost everyone is hiring here. The unique layout of Thai villas is going to make for 3 distinctive communities within one courtyard villa community, something we haven't seen before. At the end of this road, there's a cul-de-sac, and right now there's a road going out to Warm Springs Avenue. That's strictly for construction. The plans all reflect that road going away after construction is complete. Now we're going to go right across State Route 44 to where the second phase of Lake Deaton Plaza is being built. And the Lake Deaton Medical Facility is also being built. The east building at Lake Deaton is about 22,000 square feet, divided amongst 18 units. So there's a lot of retail space here. It's going to be interesting to see what moves in. This is the new village's healthcare facility. It's right here at the base of the Chitty Chatty Bridge. You can see the bridge in the background. It's nearly complete. One of the ways you can tell is you check the dumpster to see what's going in each day. When you start seeing things like boxes for chairs and desks, then you know it's getting close. Let's head south a little ways, and we'll take a look at the Villas Recreation Center and Sawgrass Grove and the work going on there, as well as the Southern Oaks Bridge that's being built. The stage for the entertainment square now has a roof on it. This building is the sound and lighting control room upstairs and a bar downstairs. Let's take a quick look around the square and see what it looks like. This entertainment square is definitely going to be unique because it's all going to be undercover. Let's take a quick peek into the Market Square building. This is where the zoom lens really comes in handy. The drone is actually about 10 feet outside the building. Some interior framework has already been started. This is the cart barn for the championship course. A little voice in my head said, maybe we can fly through there. But nah, that would have been pushing things way past the limit. I was already pushing it just looking in the windows of the Sawgrass Market. The interior decorating of the Villas Recreation Center is already well underway. Nothing has been announced yet on when Villas will open, but looking at where it sits and what's going on around it, my guess is it might just open right before Thanksgiving. That's just a guess on my part though. I have no idea for certain. The putt and play course is getting closer to opening. Let's take a quick fly over the Live Oaks 9. This is going to be the back nine of the Southern Oaks Championship Golf Course. We'll go down here and take a look at the bridge while we're at it. If you look carefully, you can see in the middle of the turnpike, the pilings are already driven in down to basically ground level. I'm still looking into where the funding is coming from for these new bridges. I don't believe it's going to be bond money. I believe it's part of the county infrastructure agreement. I'll let you know for sure when I find out for sure. Let's take another look at these two 9-hole courses that make up the Southern Oaks Golf Course. This is the village of Case and Hammock. It's moving along very, very quickly also. Here's another shot of the Southern Oaks Bridge. This was taken about 4 days before the last shot. You can see the pilings in the middle of the turnpike. They're about 60 feet tall, and they'll be driven in almost to ground level. Let's go take a look now at the Sandhill Golf Course. Sandhill is the course on the left of the map, and this is right at the intersection of 466A and Buena Vista Boulevard. All the work is now complete, and the course is now going through its greening stages. It'll be another month or two while the grass continues to grow, and they get ready for reopening. I'll do a real quick fly around of all 9 holes.
Hello everybody, my name is Joey Faulkner, owner and operator of 24 Hour Cart Club here in the Villages, a towing service provided strictly for golf carts, whether it be flat tire, run out of fuel, any kind of emergency breakdown. Feel free to call us. You can sign up online at 24hourcartclub.com. You can sign up over the phone, area code 352-661-0562. Use promotion code Wingnut, and that'll give you 3 months free on a year membership. Once again, you can find us on our website, 24hourcartclub.com, or again, you can call us over the phone, area code 352-661-0562.
The summer heat this year was brutal on my aircraft, actually the batteries. It caused 7 of them to swell and I had to retire them at nearly $200 a piece. That was a pretty painful hit to take this summer. Taking on sponsors has really helped cover these costs. I could have brought on more sponsors, but I'm pretty particular about the products and services that they offer, and I want to make sure that they're all really good for you and not just good for the sponsors. We'll head north again and we'll go up to the Silver Lake Golf Course in the northern section of the Villages. Unlike Sandhill, which only had its greens renovated, Silver Lake has had the entire course renovated. That would be fairways, tee boxes, greens, sand traps, everything. Oh wait, there is no sand traps on this course. So everything was refurbished and now it's in its greening stages. We'll take a quick fly around and you can see the whole course. We still have one more golf course to look at after this, but I wanted to remind you once again, the 100th video event is at Evans Prairie Country Club on the 14th of October at 7 p.m. I look forward to seeing you all there. And again, this is a fundraiser for the American Cancer Society and the National Brain Tumor Society. We'll be raffling off a bunch of items. On the screen, you'll see a list of some of these items that we're going to be raffling off. We have a lot of really great gifts that have been donated. We're going to do this in a Chinese raffle format, where each prize has a bucket in front of it. You drop as many tickets as you'd like to invest on that raffle, and then we'll pull a ticket, and that's the winner. We'll accept cash, check, and even credit cards. Let's head south again. We're going to go down to the Sweet Gum Golf Course. The Sweet Gum course is in the village of Collier and is the closest golf course to Brownwood. The Sweet Gum course appears to be the best grown in of the 3 courses so far. It'll probably be opening in about a month. I'll do a fly around of each of the holes so you can see how the course looks. If you're building a new home here in the Villages and you can't be here to watch it be built, contact me at goldwingnut.com or 352-661-6175 and arrange for one of my construction update packages where I'll give you regular updates on what's happening with your build. While you're watching the video, please take just a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you get notified whenever a new video is posted. And don't forget to like the video, it always helps. Thank you. Once again, the 100th video fundraiser is at Evans Prairie Country Club on October 14th at 7 p.m. The 100th video will be aired at 8 p.m. and it'll also be aired at 8 p.m. on YouTube. No reservations or tickets are required, just come on down. I want to take this opportunity to thank my sponsors, 24 Hour Cart Club, rentfromavillager.com, and PSL Construction for their support, but also I'd like to thank each of you for watching my videos. I'm Don Wiley, and thanks again for watching.